Welcome to my channel. So this is another weekend gap up strategy. If you haven't watched my video on how to trade a gap, I recommend you watch it. Go to my videos and you see the weekend gap up strategy. In this case, we are seeing a gap down. Gold, which closed at 1889.19 and now opened at 1922.95. But the price has closed below this identified structure. This is the structure we identified, because at this point we are having the supply zone and the price is retesting that structure right now. So I can actually short this trade at this point in time with my stop above the structure high, so that the risk reward ratio will be quite high. So I will short, seeing that this price is retesting this supply zone, and my stop will be 1922.95. My target will be to fill this gap down. The gap fill is at 1889.19. So I've placed the gold. Here is the gold. So let's see how it plays out. So like you can see, in a very short time, this structure was respected, well respected, and the gold is quickly moving. You can see the gold is already giving me $500 and something, and the structure we identified is actually holding, and we are hoping that this gap will be filled, because the structure actually was respected and the price is moving down. So we'll keep watching to see how the trade unfolds. If the gap is filled, ensure you give me a thumb up and ensure that you like my video. It's simple. The strategy once again is identify your gap open, your gap close, and a structure in the market. Watch and see how the price reacts to the structure. You can also watch my video on trading a demand and supply zone to find how to identify your demand and supply zone. But let's see how the trade unfolds. We traded the gap fill, so far so good. Like from the very structure we identified, the price has actually gotten to this point, and we are some good pips down. We're $800 into profits. So let's see how it still goes at the end of this whole game. Right now, the only barrier to us filling this gap is this demand zone, or this area here. Is the only barrier right now. Once here is breached, then this gap will be filled. Right now I am $1,060 into profit. This barrier I told you of has been breached and broken, and price is already coming down. So right now we are closely filling the gap, and very soon this gap will be filled. Right now the profit is $1,989, almost $2,000. So far so good, getting closer to our targets. In fact, it almost hits the targets here, so the gap was almost closed at this point.